guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a slipper review and an unboxing of the North Face THERMOBALL Mule. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. So today we've got to look at the North Face THERMOBALL Traction Mule V or 5. And the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's a US men's 9. And we got this in the Wasabi Ice Dye Print colorway. And let's go unboxing. Here we go, right there. Now, apart from their jackets, you know, North Face are known for their quilted slippers. Lucky enough to get a pair right here. And everyone's been wearing a pair of like mules, slippers. It's really on trend right now. Obviously, we've done tons of reviews of like Crocs. We've done your Birkenstocks as well, the Bostons. As a trend, they've been flying through the roof. You can't get a pair of Bostons in like the most popular colorways. And I've seen so many people wearing Crocs as well. And when it comes to like North Face, obviously everyone knows North Face's jackets. They're there for whether you like to be, essentially for cold, extreme weather conditions, or just to combat the rain. Also, they do great slippers that use the same technology on their uppers for their jackets, etc. They, you know, imposed it upon their slippers as well, which is great to see. And again, like I mentioned, I've been seeing loads of people wearing this kind of look, this mule, the quilted mules out and about. Whether it's from North Face or not, that's another story, but you know, everyone will be going for the North Face one because it's one of those popular brands when it comes to your quilted slippers. So with all that said, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Let's get into those little details that make this slipper. So we'll start with the outsole. So it's an all rubber outsole, and what's really like a cool little detail here is that you can essentially see that 3 stripes that make the North Face logo. It's all over here, making that traction patterning, and you got the North Face little logo there in the middle in red. The upper, so apart from here, so essentially this thermoplastic that makes the midsole unit is your support, but the inner and what essentially is the midsole is this. It isn't a foam, it is like a down. It's a mixture, it's a hybrid material of a down and a foam. I mean, I said it wasn't foam, but it is. So that's there for your support. The upper is made out of the same materials that's used from their jackets. So it's a recycled polyester. It's weather resistant, water resistant as well. It's not waterproof. This is gonna get water in, but you know, it's gonna be essentially like the North Face jackets. You've got that quality. You can rely on North Face to be, you know, water repellent, so you've got that for your feet, and you've got the THERMOBALL technology. So what THERMOBALL is recycled fleece lining on the inner. So as I mentioned, you've seen the quilted THERMOBALL jackets that North Face do. Same technology is used in these slippers. Now, when you think of shearling, when you think of insole fleece, you think, oh, sheepskin, like an UGG, or I can only think of a pair of Uggs. This isn't. This is all synthetic materials. So on the inner, you know, it's will keep you warm. You can know that there's no animals have been used in the creation of this slipper. And you got like a little pull tab on out here, and you got the North Face logo inside. So as I mentioned before, the mule has taken off. It is probably one of the most trendiest fashion pieces you can own. I myself, I love my pair of Bostons. Obviously, I wear the Stussy ones that I've reviewed, so check that review out. I'd love to wear these for colder climates, which we will experience here in the UK. So I think I'm going to be using these when it drops to -1 here in the UK. Don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, guys. Sorry, we deal with centigrade here in the UK. But this is one of the looks that you must go for. Back quilted slipper look, the mule. Obviously, so it's like collapsible here, so you can easily push your feet in. I'm going to demonstrate that to you guys when I show you the on feet. So what better way to show you than show you the on feet? So roll that footage of me trying these mules on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size North Face fit. I mean, usually I wear a European 42, which in this case for North Face is a UK size 8. These fit perfectly. I was really hoping that these would be like the Nike Flyies or the Converse Flyies that we've done reviews in the past with the collapsible heel, so you can just easily slip your feet in. Unfortunately, when I did try that method, I had to, use my fingers just to pull it, and yeah, I was a bit disappointed because I thought I could just easily slip into it. Regardless, these are very comfy to wear. My feet feel very warm. That's why I want it. Obviously, these are proper quilted. The North Face slippers, I didn't expect anything less. And all my expectations, this was a tick box exercise, and North Face ticked all the boxes. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.